If you're exploring venues, most people start by looking for a few standout features. Things like a specific view, a certain night of the week, or the biggest room possible. The problem is, focusing on one feature rarely tells you how the event will actually feel. What determines a great event is how everything works together once guests arrive. At the Bell Tower on 34th, the experience is fully orchestrated. Spaces, food, beverage, staffing, and timing are designed to support one another, so the day feels smooth, not fragmented. Many people also assume that a higher price means paying more for the same thing. In reality, what drives costs up isn't quality, it's complexity. What works better is having more handled in one place with clear responsibility. That's why our clients consistently mention peace of mind and flawless execution in their reviews. Whether you're hosting a personal celebration or a professional event, the goal is the same: to feel confident that nothing is being left to chance. The next step is simply checking availability to see if your date and guest count align. Our goal is to deliver excellent events no one will ever forget.